Welcome everybody to this episode of Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. So before we get started, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. So what we're going to do today is talk about Cardano. What is it? How does it work? And yeah, we're just going to keep it short and sweet. It's basically a what is Cardano video. So if we check out the screen, I've got an entire presentation for you all. So we're going to keep this nice and simple. I even have this little digital laser pointer. So watch out. Might point it at your eye. Who knows? So let's get into it. And this is going to be a very simple introduction to Cardano. So Cardano is a public proof of stake open source blockchain platform. So ADA is the native token used for peer-to-peer transactions. Basically, Cardano, when you are using it, you are spending ADA in the form of their digital token to pay for transaction fees. So this is going to be when you're buying NFTs, when you're sending from peer to peer, or if you're minting or just spending on the network. So that's going to be for the token. So Cardano's blockchain is the first to be founded on a peer-reviewed research-based method. So this is the first blockchain that has had developed based on their peer-reviewed research, one of the most research projects in the game. So effectively, Cardano combines unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized applications, which are dApps. And their main focus, of course, is sustainability. So that's what you're going to notice with Cardano. And the origin, it's important to know that Charles Hoskinson, he was also a co-founder of Ethereum. So we do have that here. So Cardano's development began in 2015, led by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. When launched in 2017, it was the largest cryptocurrency to use a proof of stake blockchain, which is seen as a greener alternative to proof of work. So proof of work, the way it works is that when, for example, Bitcoin, which is a very big, the biggest proof of work blockchain, the way Bitcoin works is that to verify transactions, you are mining, and that's using very expensive computer hardware, so the physical components, and it's not very energy efficient. So proof of work, very not energy efficient, but it is, you could argue it's more secure. Whereas with Cardano, you're just using nodes and you're delegating your coins and earning the new supply. But the reason people are mining still with Bitcoin is that that's how you earn the new supply. By setting up computers, verifying transactions, you get rewarded with the new supply, and there's only 1 million left. It's getting cut in half every 4 years. Same with Cardano. There's a limited supply, I believe 36 billion. So important to note. So what else do we have here? The next slide, smart contracts. So Cardano is a blockchain platform that supports smart contracts through its native programming language, Plutus. So Cardano has its own native language for its coding. So yeah, if you can learn Plutus, go ahead. Smart contracts on Cardano are secure, transparent, and verifiable. I love using Cardano. It is cheap. I've been using it for years, sending tons of transactions, delegating myself. But the idea with Cardano is you build a blockchain in which you can build all these dApps, these decentralized applications. And then from there, you can have games running, you can have DEXs, which are decentralized exchanges. So you can do a lot with it. You're taking out the need of a middleman. That's the idea of decentralization. With any cryptocurrency, it's a peer-to-peer transaction now because we don't have an intermediary. We don't have a bank in the way or another institution. So think about Twitter or when you use social media, you're going to have these companies in the way. Whereas because of the blockchain technology, we are all now equipped to the network and we can work in a decentralized fashion. Kind of like YouTube, right? We all go to YouTube. We can all watch videos. We don't have to pay every time. So Cardano smart contracts go through multiple stages of peer review and formal verification. At the end of the day, the smart contracts work with NFTs, and they offer that capability. So POS, proof of stake, we'll hit on that a bit more here. We don't want this video to run on. So again, the algorithm for Cardano's proof of stake is called Ouroboros. So proof of stake, what you do is you take your Cardano assets and you delegate it to a stake pool of node operators. So people set up nodes, so computers, and you delegate your coins, and you're supporting decentralization. So what you do is you pull in your funds, and maybe we'll go through it here at the end, and you can earn the new supply of Cardano. So whereas, for example, Bitcoin, you would have to have expensive computer hardware, you get rewarded with the new supply, but only by solving complex mathematical equation, and it's not energy efficient. But with Cardano, because of proof of stake, you can just delegate, earn the new supply, and it's very easy to do. You also don't have to have your assets leaving your wallet. So validators who are selected to create new blocks on the Cardano blockchain are incentivized to act honestly by receiving awards. So again, if you're doing anything malicious, it's not going to operate properly. This POS, proof of stake algorithm, is designed to be more energy efficient. We went over that. So that's that. So DeFi, MinSwap. I have a video here on the channel showing you examples how to do things with MinSwap. But because you have this decentralized blockchain, what you can do is you can build applications like, for example, MinSwap. What this is a website where you can connect your wallet and you can delegate your assets and earn a APY. So you can earn passive income by pairing your assets. So think about this like a bank, but it's decentralized. So with the bank, you deposit your money. You're doing this, all of you, if you're using any fiat, you're depositing your money into a bank. So what the bank does is they take that money and then they lend it out and then they earn the interest. Well, now because of DEXs, because of the blockchain, what you can do is you can delegate your assets and earn a yield. So you can pair different assets. I have videos teaching you how to yield farm is what it's called. And it's very cool. So Cardano has several different DeFi apps, one being MinSwap, and then you also have Wing Riders and others. But you can swap, yield farm, and do other things. I'm sure it's going to grow in what you'll be able to do with non-fungible assets as well going forward. But yeah, it's definitely very cool. Check it out. And it's really cool to see all these playing out. So we also have NFTs. I have tons of videos on NFTs as well. But because of smart contracts, what you can do is list specific items that are represented on Cardano's blockchain and sell them. So what you can do is, for example, have an NFT, something in the form of an image or music. Music's not so much yet, but right now we have NFTs which could represent an item from a website, in a game, basically almost anything you can think of. So for example, if you own a Boss Cat Rocket Club NFT, you can connect your wallet to JPEG Store, which is a marketplace, and sell that NFT. And then because of smart contracts, when somebody buys, it sells instantly, goes to their wallet. So smart contracts, you can code, you could program things to execute on the blockchain. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So if you want to learn more, go to cardano.org. And then, of course, here are some of my assets. So if we look at one of my wallets, I own some of these, so I am bullish on the entire project. I think Cardano ultimately is going to do well. It's a beautiful blockchain. I've been seeing it grow over time. So also, because I told you I would show you, what you can do is, even with the hardware wallet, you can delegate to stake pools. So this is Yoroi, and I have videos on the channel. So browse the channel. You can learn how to earn a yield, and we will be doing more videos going forward. But if you take a look here, I believe just today I earned 5 ADA. So I'm earning between, depending on how you're delegating, there's a lot to go with this. But with the assets I own, I'm earning every 5 days a yield. So I'm delegating almost, 1,100 11,500 ADA to a stake pool. I'm doing this with multiple wallets. They also have things called ISPOs, but we don't need to get into that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see us cover. If you want me to explain different blockchains, definitely check it out. And we also have online courses, so you can learn about anything and everything crypto and NFT related. So it's all I have for you in this video. I'm just kind of working on the fly here. We'll see you in the next one.